Y'all, tacos are life, and today I'm gonna do a beautiful mahi-mahi taco. Gonna have some pickled red onions. There's gonna be some other little goodies. Hey, you will not wanna miss it. Hey, let's get started. That's some good groceries. For a good taco, especially a fish taco or shrimp taco, you need a good slaw. Well, today, my friends, I want to do just that for you. We're going to make a beautiful slaw first because a little bit of preparation is needed, okay? All right, so get you a nice bowl. You need some room to work. I'll let the supermarket kind of help me out here. So you can make a slaw just like this if you like. However, these little tips right here will take your slaw to the next level. So to our slaw, I want to add a little bit of sugar. A little sweet, goes a long way. And I want to add some salt. And we're going to mix this up. And I want this to set. And what that salt's going to do is it's going to draw some moisture out of the cabbage. Cabbage has a lot of moisture in it. The sugar also does kind of the same thing. And it kind of gets into the cabbage a lot better, all right? Once you get the cabbage salted and a little bit of sugar, we're going to set that to the side. And we're going to get ourselves a little tin tray right here. This right here is for the rear grease catcher, and these are little inserts. And we're gonna make a little quick pickle. We're gonna take pretty much like equal parts of white vinegar. You use apple cider if you want. You use about any vinegar. Need a little bit of water, nice little pinch of salt, and sugar. You want it nice and sweet. All right, we'll give that a little shimmy, just like that. We're gonna take it over to the griddle. We're gonna put it right onto the top. And all we're really looking to do here, guys, is to let the sugars dissolve, let the salt dissolve, and get everything warm. And that's really all you need. We're going to get ourselves another bowl, and we got our red onion. Just going to make kind of half moons. Got your onion just like this. Now, just make nice little slices. Pickled red onions is probably my favorite thing. It's kind of that one thing I cannot live without. So I'm curious, what is that one thing you cannot live without on a taco? I just love to know. Let me know down below. One other thing I want to do, I'm going to spice these tacos up just a little bit, is I'm going to do a little jalapeños. I'm going to put that into the pickle as well. Got these straight out of my garden just a second ago. How cool is that? You can also, I might put some of this into my slaw as well, but I might just leave it in the pickle. Give it a nice little heat, little nice crunch, different crunch. It's got a different texture to it. Be good groceries. Whew, boy, those things smell hot. There you go. All right, the liquid to kind of get going. I can still see some salt in there, so we're just gonna let it go. While we're waiting for these few items to finish up, we're going to make a little crema. I'm gonna use a little blend jet here. So to this, we're gonna do some sour cream, a little lime juice. Make sure you roll your limes out before you slice them. Ooh, that's a juicy little sucker right there. Oh man, that's gonna be good. I'm gonna do a little bit of cilantro. Little tip, it's really hot out here. Take you a wet paper towel and you wrap around your herbs. That will help it from wilting really badly. I'm gonna do a little pinch of salt. Also got these beautiful onions. I'm just gonna make it a little bit green. I wanna do a little bit of this Blackstone citrus mojo. Just a smidge. And we're gonna turn that on. All right, that's done. Oh, it looks great. Smells so good, so fresh. All right, we're gonna set that to the side. All right, we're gonna go back to our slaw. As you can see, it has wilted down quite a bit, and that is a good thing. So now we're just gonna finish this off. We got these beautiful green onions here. They are very, very nice looking, and I'm just gonna slice some of those. We're doing whites and the greens. Give it a nice little color contrast. Put that into our bowl, just like that. Use some of our cilantro, and we're just gonna rough chop it as well. All right, let's give that a mixy. Look at that nice colorful salad right there. Time to make a little dressing for this. To that, I'm gonna add lime juice. If you wanna do, creamy, and like a mayonnaise, you could do that. But I'm going really light, doing more of like a vinaigrette, a little lime vinaigrette. A little bit of oil, might need a pinch more salt. I'll give this a try. That's good. You can adjust it if you want a little bit more sweet. Go ahead and add a little bit more sugar. You can do a little bit of honey, but this right here is going to be a nice slaw to go on our fish tacos. Our pickling liquid is pretty much done. All we're going to do is pour that right over our vegetables. Nice little quick pickle. All right. We'll set those to the side. Next is the star of the show, the Mahi-Mahi. Love Mahi-Mahi. It's one of my favorite fishes to cook, both in a taco and just in general. It's a light fish, it's meaty. So it looks like they did not take the skin off, which is fine. So basically, just take your knife, run along it. Just kind of use your hand as a guide. And just like that. All right, let me do the rest of these. Some people will take this little bloodline kind of out. It is kind of dark. It's like dark meat. It can be a little bit strong. You know, it's up to you. I typically don't mind it. It don't bother me at all. Slide your knife right up through it. Now we got our mahi ready. I personally like to kind of cut them up in chunks. So I got 3 nice pieces here, and when you cut them up in chunks, I like it better than one big piece or one fillet. There we go. All right, we got those all kind of diced up. Now let's head over to the griddle. Let's get these going. Word of wisdom from Hussey. With fish tacos, you got to get things ready. They go really fast. So I'm going to go ahead and toast up our tortillas. Fish tacos, I love a corn tortilla. Just what it is. Love, love, love. I'll tell you what, I like just a little bit of oil down, just to kind of livens them up a little bit. Got our nice little taco rack here. Warm these dudes up. Something about fish tacos and corn tortillas, I don't know, it just works. Talk about temperature of our Blackstone right now. We're on a low temperature, just idling, okay? All right, I'm gonna put those into our taco rack. And what that also does is it keeps everything warm. I'm gonna put these kind of over here. For right now, I don't want them to get too hot. Focus our attention right here to the middle, all right? I wanna go down right into the middle with some avocado oil, just like that. Spread that around, let that get warm for a second. At this time, I'm going to cut our griddle right in the middle up to about a medium heat. That way, whenever I put the fish down onto the griddle, that thermal shock doesn't take it down too far, all right? You don't want it too far. We want to try to build a nice crust on this mahi-mahi. All right, you can see some little bit of wisp of smoke coming right there. Perfect. You hear that sound? That's what you want to hear. What we're gonna season our fish with, we're gonna season it with some street taco from Blackstone. Just gonna let that set for just about a minute or so, then we're gonna flip it. I'm gonna put our tacos back here. Alrighty, mix this up really well. All right, our mahi is done. Now, it's gonna fill up our tortillas. A little bit for you, a little bit for you, and last one. Perfect, perfect, perfect. That, my friends, is gonna make a good taco. Hey, let's head over to the cutting board. Oh boy, look at these things right here now. We're not done yet. Oh no, we gotta build these things. We have our slaw. We have our crema. We have our pickled red onions. We got all the groceries here, all the groceries. Let's finish building these things. Come in with some of this slaw first. A little slaw. It's gonna be so good. A little crema. Probably should have went crema first instead of slaw. That's all good. Do our pickled red onions. Just kind of lay those over the top just like this. They softened up so much too. Don't forget our jalapeños. Put some of those on there too. There you have it, folks. Little mahi-mahi fish tacos. So good. There's nothing more to do here, folks. We gotta try these tacos. I don't mind if I do. Cheers. I'm gonna need a minute. That's so good. That mahi's so meaty. It's delicate. Taste that street taco, the pickled red onion, just always a solid hit. Corn tortilla, so good. And that slaw just kind of rounds it out, makes it ever so good. Y'all, highly suggest these tacos. They're light, they're fresh. You can't go wrong. Your folks will love them, I guarantee it. I appreciate you. That's all I have today. Hey, I want you to head on over to the Blackstone Network. Well, you see all of my other Griddle Pro friends, such as Blackstone Betty, CJ, Todd, and Chef Nate, and also my buddy Jeremy Puglisi. Hey, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and leave me a comment. I'd love to interact with you. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.